God, what a quiet Sunday evening. Such a quiet and nice and warm Sunday evening. You know, people burning some flames. Portland High School, big up our student. How that the artist? We just show them so what a lovely Sunday evening around by Rice Peace. We can't get a dreadnought. Want a one coconut if we can't get it to the daddy. Let me know one man if he even broke. Me's a porridge man in a daddy. Yeah, man, I'm hygiene up there in the world. Me a showing a little piece. You see around here? You saw the place silent. You saw the place calm. Now look at this. I love this. I love this, people. Rice peace. Quiet. Yeah, man. At the first day of the month, done. 1st of October. A day to remember. A day to remember, boy. Veteran TV. Stand up right beside Portland High School, daddy. You want to big up our student. Yeah, man. Me want the dreadnought. Me for forward. Forward. Mad thing, you know, the generals have come for a dreadnought. No, me have to go up on him. A mad thing, man. Yeah, man, I have to go for that dreadnought here, you know. Don't know enough people. Veteran TV I tried, you know. You know, I mean, I left for when me I go nowhere. I know no did that with me. So me take a switch off of the road, you know. Come check my agent on the corner, yeah. No, hey, yo, life is so, watch all the machine that are there. To the world. Check the view. It's only take a few to do what we do. Check the view. Hey, check the view, my people. We out there, we are looking. See it. Veteran TV. Natural liberty. See it? I'm acting on. Yeah. I'm going to check the artist, you know, the man, original singer. What, the man got you in that, what? How we done?
No, man, 1 and 2, the funny man, I can't.
Are East Indian?
Julie.
Julie? What me not on?
Julie.
Yeah? So what go on, my artist?
Yeah, me there, go and hold a vibes in the evening, you know.
Oh, you mean? It's like, yo, you're a man, you coming like me, you know, cause any man you see different coconut. Because he's a man, I walk from here, say, most of the Sunday man in that teach field coconut. You never bought me up here? I lie?
Good for you.
Just figure look coconut.
Good for
give me my one, brother.
Well,
so last year, I know. Big up yourself.
Yeah, man.
The man has some long time singer, you know. Well, how advice? How advice?
You know, say, advice are going away more time.
Yeah.
They are going with advice more time, you know.
So, yeah.
Sis, and let me send this request to the knees. Oh, Lord. You don't know, we have some more sitting up.
Advice to them, man. They did them, man.
We have one.
Give me one next piece, man. They did them, man.
Good weed fi bun, hey. Me no wanna weed fi make me hungry when me done bun. Good weed fi bun, hey. If I the good Alaska weed, tell them fi bring it come. Let me load it in a me chalice in a my chillum.
Good weed fi bun. Veteran TV. Bound to chant them down. I know I'm at the top side. I Portland High School. Oh, God Almighty. This is so amazing, God. Look when I shot you, daddy. Mad thing, you know. I'm just come back up my artist, daddy. Sing it sweet. You know, show the item of you in a rice piece to the world. Yeah, man. All what is beautiful to you, my people. You know, see it. So, my artist, you have one name, the man. What the singing name you have again?
Oh, Melody.
Melody, man.
Yeah, man.
Mad people, man. Big up yourself. Sure, big up yourself, Melody.
Big up yourself.
Watch out now, people. Oneness. You see it? You can't see smoke. You have a natural liberty in that. Look over at the mountain. Shut over the daddy.
Come up on the skyscraper settings.
Skyscraper. Hey, where you call it, Melo?
I call it a skyscraper settings. Then cloud them look at artwork.
Jano. Veteran TV. Topside Portland Eye where they on a show on the world. So all beautiful things to the world. You don't know. Veteran TV love on your site. School tomorrow.